And let's, now that I've shown you where I'm going to be drilling, probably should have made that into one video, but what the heck. I'm going to drill these out, and what I'll do then is take the longer studs that I have and fit them up onto that adapter piece, put them through the bottom, and then take a gasket and take that AFB that I told you I had. I'll stick that on top of there, and we'll see if everything's working out like it's supposed to be working out. Let's do it. Okay, so we've got all the 4 holes drilled. Let's take one quick test run at it. I'm sure it'll need a little bit of reaming, but they're right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's see, what size ream did I snag for this? It's 21/64, so it's a few thousandths of an inch bigger than the 5/16 hole. And you don't want that to be dead nuts tight around your studs, because this stuff has to expand. You know, it gets hot, it gets cold, it's going to move around in difference from other pieces of the engine. So there's always going to be a little bit of give in there. And that's a few thousandths of an inch, so it should do the trick. It's been a long time since I've done any of this kind of work, so let's make sure we get plenty of goo on there, right? And here's what I like about the A9 is that it's a little thicker. The Tap Magic is good stuff, but it does run out pretty quick. Alright, so let's see what we can get. Already my little device doesn't want to work. It's because I got something stuck in there. Probably like my big toe. There we go. Okay, so just kind of gently work that in there. A little back and forth. Almost like a regular tap and die set. Get a little downward pressure. And you got to remember, every few turns, you got to pull that baby out. Take the cuttings out of that flute. And then back you go.